In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text callout in Adobe Acrobat 2026, step by step. We'll walk through opening your PDF, finding the right tool, adding a text callout with an arrow, customizing its look, and saving your changes. I'll add simple tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect on screen. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat. In the upper left corner, click the main menu and choose Open. This brings up your file browser. Navigate to the PDF you want to annotate, select it, and click Open again. Give it a second to load, especially if it's a large document. If the file is already open, you can stay right where you are and continue. With the document visible, look to the left side panel. This is where Acrobat groups common tools you'll use for reviewing and marking up your file. Find the drawing and markup options and click Draw Freehand to reveal related annotation tools. If your layout looks a little different, that's normal. The same tools may appear in a compact toolbar until you expand them. Now choose Text Callout. This tool creates a text box with a leader line so you can point to a specific item and explain it clearly. Click on the page where you want the arrow to point, then place the text area next to it. Depending on your layout, you may click once to set the point and then click or drag to position the text box. If you don't like the placement, you can drag the ends of the leader line or the box itself to reposition it until it feels right. Type the message you want in the callout. Keep it short and focused so it's easy to read at a glance. You can add line breaks if you need a little more structure, and you can move the box later if it covers important content. If the text looks cramped, just pull a corner of the box to resize it. To make your notes stand out, adjust the formatting. Select the callout and use the on-screen options to change the font size, and the color. Choose a size that's legible without overwhelming the page and a color that contrasts well with the background. Consistency matters, so consider using the same style across all callouts in the document. When you're happy with the placement and look, click Save. Keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac work too. If you want to keep the original untouched, save a new copy with a clear name so you can find it later. That's it. You've opened your PDF, added a clean professional text callout, customized it for clarity, and saved your work.